How to undo a move on chess.com. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can undo a move on chess.com, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your chess account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you would be brought to the page automatically where you'd see your username, you'd see play, puzzles versus computer, game review, etc. And the next step is for you to play a game. And you must note that for you to undo a move, you can only undo a move while playing daily chess. But during live chess or during tournaments, you cannot undo your move. So for daily chess, just scroll down and perhaps you can click on solve delete puzzle, or you can move to the left side of the screen, click on the play tab to be taken to the play page, and here you can select play online or play a friend depending on the one you would like to select. So after clicking on play um a friend or play online, you can select new game, and then once you're on this page, click on custom. So while customizing this particular game, you can see time, standard, random. Then you can see the option weighted. First of all, ensure you click on this toggle to turn off the game to unweighted. This is because rated games, you cannot undo the moves of rated games. But once it's unrated, it's to make it easier. Then once you click on unrated, once you turn off unrated, the take back option would be available. So you have to select how you want to play, and then after that, click on play. And after clicking on play, you can now go ahead to start the game with a friend online. So while playing, when it's your move, you can click the take back icon. Oftentimes, the take back icon will appear under the move list. So any player can click take back at any time. All right. But when it's your move, clicking take back undoes your opponent's previous move and it becomes their turn again. All right. But when it's not your move, clicking take back will undo your previous move and it is now your turn again. So do not forget this. All right. Ensure you click take back when it's not your move so that you'll be able to undo your previous move, and then it will be your turn again. So this is how you can make use of take back. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.